Here is how you can turn off the phone calls on the iPad. Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So it kind of depends on how exactly you're receiving the calls, because you might be getting them through WhatsApp or FaceTime or anything else. But first, it's very likely that you receive them as the extension of the iPhone. So the iPhone can forward calls and allow you to pick it up on other devices. You can control it when you go to your settings on the iPhone. At the bottom, you can find apps, and from those, you can pick the FaceTime. So, the phone in this case. So you go to the phone right in here, and one of the options is going to be the calls on other devices, and you can disable it fully or decide it based on the device. So the available devices for me are the Mac and iPad, and if I don't want to get calls on the iPad, I'm going to turn it off in here. But let's say I keep it enabled for the Mac, and now the iPad is not receiving the calls forwarded from the iPhone, and it should be disconnected this way. But it still might happen that the iPad rings and receives calls, but those would only be made over the internet. So services like FaceTime, WhatsApp, and so on, those can still ring and deliver the calls, right? And in here on the iPad, we can either stop using the service, so you can disable FaceTime or delete WhatsApp, or even better would be to go to the settings and manage notifications for those services, right? So I would have decided that, yes, I want to use WhatsApp on my phone, but I don't want to be notified about anything about it. So I don't want to be getting any calls or anything like that. I basically turn off the notifications altogether. You can still call me on WhatsApp, but I will not be able to see that, and that's how it would work. So I would just recommend you to turn off the notifications. Same for WhatsApp, the FaceTime. So you can as well disable it as such. And yes, you might use FaceTime on the iPad, but you will not be able to receive calls. You will not really know about them now. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future videos.